Welcome to another little process video from Freddie and myself. Today I'm going to be painting on fabric buttons, and don't worry if you haven't got any fabric buttons, because we'll make some as well, just out of little scraps of fabric. So let me pull you closer. Debbie said to me in comments, don't forget to show us the spectacle case when you've finished it, Janet. Yeah, so here it is. It's the one I was making when we were in Belgium. And I had a little button with me, and it's a plain fabric vintage button, and I thought, oh, I know what I've been meaning to do for ages, is paint some of the fabric buttons. So there's no set way to do this. Just, yeah. I know this one doesn't run, so yeah, I'm just making a little background. Just drawing little hearts, as you do. What I like about this is, again, there's no right or wrong. I've got my watercolour paints with me. Now, in here, one of the pens, you can use acrylic paint, or, this is just a little gold metallic pen that's quite effective. Oh, it's just a case of playing, really. I'm going to double up this fabric. Actually, I think it's papery fabric napkin. That's it. You use what you've got. There we are. Draw around that. Doubled up. Cut round it. Oh, what scissors do I use? I'll use these. They're fairly sharp. Just in case it is paper. Doesn't matter because it's not going to go in the wash. You get napkins like that, don't you? Let's have a look. Yeah, it is paper. I thought it was it was fabric. Well, there you go. That's okay. So I've got double that up. That's going to be a button. So I'm going to come in here with some thread. We've made fabric buttons before together. They're fun, aren't they? There's the big one, and I've got the brooch one on. I made that one into a brooch. I think this one, because it is paper, will go nicely in my fabric journal. Put that in there, shall we? There we are. I'm going to do the crosses there like you would on a button, just in case you haven't got any of these fabric buttons. That would have been, I love that. That would have been on someone's coat or dressing gown at one time. Oh, they're precious, aren't they, our vintage button collections. There we are. That's the back. and pop that in my sardine pincushion. Ben,
Okay.
I made a fabric sardine can.
And this is the pull ring.
Yeah. I mean, it's not practical as a sardine can.
Are there sardines in there?
Yeah.
Do they come out?
No.
Oh, okay. That's really, it's really
It's a pink
I don't know. I don't think it's practical because this wouldn't have sealed properly, would it?
I don't think. No. Where's honey?
It's very cute though.
Oh, thank you.
I like that, yeah.
So, what's the verdict? Whimsical and practical, or just whimsical?
I think it's just whimsical. Oh, it came out. Wait, do they all come out?
Sardines
some
on
of them
toast.
are in.
Oh,
I'm testing it. So these are secured in. This one's not.
That's typical Ben. You always have to break everything.
I don't like to break things. I like to test things. For you.
Yeah, you do.
So you got 3 sardines.
Do you remember when you were little, you took a spring apart and straightened it
Yeah,
out?
I do remember
You
that, yeah.
did.
Yeah.
Oh well, hey
It's
ho.
practical though.
Nice cup of tea. A cup of tea button. Oh, lovely. There's the tea. Have a little sip of tea and take a breath. Oh, thanks, Colin. I expect Flo's making busy making one too. Mock willow pattern here. There we are, all the leftover paint goes in my little leftover paint scrapey journal. I love it. Doesn't it sound glorious? Pop that back. Let's willow pattern. Let's find a place to pop this. Oh, that's it. Remember to take a nice breath while we're creating. Oh, I love this. I've got some, that's like willow pattern really, isn't it? It's got a little bird there. That can go in there. Like that. On this page. Like that, and a willow pattern button. It's a busy page, but I don't think it matters. Yeah, I'll just pin that on. Oh, a nice little blue pin, and that can dry, and I can sew that on. It's nice because just mind your fingers, but it means if you don't feel like doing much, you can just open it and think, should I sew a little something on today? There's always things ready to sew, and think, oh yes, just a little bit of gentle slow stitch on there. Oh, and it just so happens the pink cross on there matches the button. Oh, there you go, serendipity. Another way to make fabric buttons. This one's vintage, 35p from Woolworths. Isn't that glorious? I've had those before when I've been making cushions, and left over from doing that, you've actually put them in here just to press them through. I haven't done that for ages. I might do that sometime for this fabric journal. Let's have a look at yours, Flo. I think it might be a bird because she's put a bird on every page of this latest slow stitch journal. Oh, Flo. You did a little bird button. Oh, that's lovely. You put them in the background. Oh, I love that. You use the watercolour paints, Flo. Oh, lovely. Oh, I love that, Flo. Lovely. Thank you for joining us. Just a simple little project, but yeah, fun to do and relaxing. No pressure, is there? That's the little fabric one. Just a little bit of slow stitching. Oh, I received through the post. Oh, let me see, where is that? Here. Isn't this lovely? It's a little felted fabric. Beth has felted this. She gets the roving wool and felts it. That's going to go on my denim bag. Oh, it must be in the other room.
Stack, because the center of this is rounded up. It fits in the bottom of that, where the narrow parts are.
I'm sewing the other flowers on. Thank you so much, Beth. That is gorgeous, and it feels beautiful too, because it's made from wool. Oh, I love that. Can't wait to sew it on. Thank you, Beth. Ah, lovely. Shall we light a candle? Yes, let's just. Oh. Sometimes life is a bit hard. There's a lot going on, isn't there? And it's just nice to take a little breath and yeah. Take care, everyone. Bye. Nice. Nice. Yeah. There you go, love. We've got these little biscuits and they are delicious with our cup of tea. They're from Netherlands. Nikki, have you got the one with the smiley face?
No,
on?
I was going to say, you could have told me and I would have kept it.
Oh.